Welcome to Cat Assassin. Today, I'm going to give you the best tips on how to anger or knock out Granny in I Am Cat. Now, the first way is just normal. You just come up to her and you knock her out. And then, of course, you run up the stairs because she's old and she can't get up the stairs by herself. Like this. Now, this next way is a little more sharp. Okay, is she still angry? No, okay. So now, what you're gonna want to do is wait for her to sit down. So, pretty sure we can lure her over there by turning on the TV, then she might come and turn it off. No, okay. Guess not. You know what? I'll come back when she's sitting down. Okay, now that she is on the sofa, you can just come over here. Now, you're gonna come behind her, get your claws out, and just start scratching. Eventually, she'll wake up and get mad. Because she does not like to be scratched. There you go. Now, third way is one of my personal favorites. I like to come upstairs. Oh, come on. Then come up here on the supports. Now, where is she? I don't see her. Oh, she's still got... Oh. Okay, I'll be back when she's walking around. Okay, she's just walking around again, so I'm just gonna come back up here. Now, where is she? Wherever you going, Grandma? Whoa. That was a close one. And now you just... Oh, I missed. But you get the point. You can like... Oh, I died. Oh well. Now we can move on to the fourth way. This is also another one of my favorites. Now this isn't really a way to knock her out, but this is something you can do while she's knocked out. So what you gotta do, make your way up these shelves. There's wine up here. Then come over here. Oh wait, no, you actually need to go upstairs for this one. Okay, so just come upstairs. Now, you need to go back over the baluster. Now, you see that horse head? This is a very cool trick you can do that I figured out just before filming this video. Now, you're going to take the horse head, grab it, and... Oh, that works. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to bring the horse head over to where Granny is, and you can see that circle that is now on her head. And now that she's knocked out, you have a little bit of time. Oh, wait, I've done this wrong. She's gonna get up to... Oh, never mind. And now look. Until you sleep again, she will now have a horse head, which is absolutely hilarious, and we're gonna have that on for the rest of the video. Even if I die, I will put it on again off camera. Okay. Now, next tip involves walls. Now, the coolest thing I learned just after the horse thing, what the hell, is... Oh. if you climb and then get your claws out, you can slow your fall, making parkour much easier. So, if you can somehow lure her over here, for example by maybe, can I knock this over? No. Ah, here. Now, if you can stay up here long enough. Then you can use the walls as a way to get to her. You can also do awesome stuff like that. So, yeah, this is a very cool thing to do as a cat assassin, or a cat grandma angler, whatever you like to call yourself. I like a cat assassin. Or cooking kittens, but that's another series that is also very funny. Now, obviously you can also break plant pots to make her angry and stuff like that. But another thing you can do. Oh, what the hell? Wait, hang on. This is a little bit off script, but while we're here, can you throw knives at her? Come on. Oh my god, you can! No way, look at that. Sucker. That's awesome. She gonna get up? She did? Oh. Come get me. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Oh yeah, wall run. That was awesome. Wait, I gotta do that again. Okay, you know what? This video is... Definitely do try this wall run thing, because look at that. That's so much easier than going upstairs. Like, look. With going upstairs, I mean, yes, it's quick, but is it also cool and assassin-like? I mean, look at this. Plus, you can get up high. So maybe you could even... Hang on. If I just... Like, maybe you could even get up... Hang on. You know what? Forget the assassin tips. But this part of the video, I'm just going to be trying to get up there. And... using this. Oh, never mind. I have done it. Anyway, next assassin tip. Now, the next one... Now, we all know Granny loves wine. That's why there's no wine left in any bottles. So what we're gonna do is smash her over the head with a bottle. Believe it or not. Just gonna put that there. Oh, another thing you can do, it won't make her attack you, but you can keep turning off the remote and eventually she'll get angry. That's pretty funny. What? Wait, she doesn't get knocked out from that? Okay, she does get angry though, so... Mission accomplished. Eat that. Wait, she's not even angry? Okay, apparently if you smash a wine bottle over her head, she doesn't get angry. But, hang on. If I just keep turning this off... Come on, you did this last time. Wait, she's gonna get angry? No? Oh, come on, she got angry last time. Yeah, get angry. Yeah, get angry about that, you poo. Wait. Oh, I didn't manage to do the wall run. Oh well. I'm a pro wall runner. Oh my god. Didn't even try to get up here. I like how you could just smash stuff upstairs. Like, she can't get up the stairs without, I don't know, someone's help. So, you could just smash stuff. Like, literally anything. This? Yeah, that can go over. This? That too. Okay, now. Also, another thing, if anyone has any tips on tipping these surfboards on Granny, that would be greatly appreciated. Wait, can I do it from behind here? No, okay. It might not be possible, but if you do know how, please tell me. Wait, hang on. Yes, that's what I was talking about for I can't remember what number it is, but like going down on the baluster and smacking her from above. Yes, that is so cool. Oh, yes. I can run from you. I think that's what she said. She speaks some kind of demon language. Have any of you noticed that? It's really weird. I mean, you probably have. You're not all stupid. Not all of you. Yeet. Okay, I feel like this video is running long, so I have one more thing to try. Now, I know this video was supposed to be about ways to annoy Granny, but I just want to try, see if throwing a ball at her makes her angry. No? She doesn't even get knocked over. There you go. Wait, you can do it on the railing? Kinda. Hang on, gotta time this perfectly. Oh, almost. Yeah, look, you could just, like, slide down slowly. If I come up here... Look. Oh. Never mind. Oh, no, it's only if you do one claw. If you do two, you just slide right down. Anyway, that is today's cat assassin video, because, as you can tell, I am out of breath. I might make another one of these, if I can find more ways to knock Granny out. I probably can, she's pretty easy to knock out. Anyway, gonna end this video with one more